winter, the sixth grade participated in the annual Project Challenge Assembly. Every sixth grader had the chance to climb an element trying to complete a teamwork challenge with a friend.
My favorite element was the vertical playpen.
The slip and slide.
Giant ladder. Vertical playpen.
Cargo net.
The sixth graders have been practicing their elements the whole year. Mr. Canfield, the Project Challenge director, sees Project Challenge as a great way to bring kids together and put them into risky situations with their friends there to support them.
In the morning of the Project Challenge, I was feeling extraordinarily nervous.
I felt nervous, but I was also really excited to climb.
On the morning of Project Challenge, I was feeling nauseous.
Sixth graders really enjoy the challenge and teamwork involved in this special assembly.
When I was at the top of the vertical playpen, I felt really proud of myself.
When I got to the top, I felt empowered.
The Project Challenge Assembly is a great, fun way to thrill the community and bring everyone together.
I will never forget when I got to the top of the slip and slide exam.
Reporting for the Meadowbrook Minute, this is Avery.